Alright guys, so what we got here are our DRT upper radius rods that we have for the Pro XP. We got some Heim joints, billet aluminum, made in the USA. What we're going to be doing right now is we're going to be replacing the uppers on our Pro XP. So if you've ever looked at them, I currently don't have the lower height clearance rods, but that's okay. We're going to be upgrading those into some billet height clearance. But for now, we're going to do the DRT upper radius rods. And what these are going to be used for is to adjust your camber, I believe it is, your camber. As you know, they're fixed radius rods coming from the factory. So this is a really nice upgrade where you're able to adjust based on your ride height, because changing your ride height, stuff like that, changing your wheel tire package, starts adjusting that without you wanting to. So these are nice because you just twist them. You have a right hand thread, left hand thread, so you can just turn it and it'll start adjusting that to your specification or your liking. So we're gonna get into it.
Alright, so after a couple of hours of kind of messing with it, got the upper DRT billet radius rod installed. But if you notice, I still have that OEM really thin lower radius rod, so I got a little trick up my sleeve for that.
I know all the Pro Rs are out. They have the beefy suspension and whatnot. I opted for the Pro XP Sport. So with the Sport, at least my year 21, it came with these very thin radius rod, lower radius rod. So if you got the, I believe it was like the limited or the upper trim levels, you got these right here. So these are the beefier lower radius rods. So what I did is I actually found some on OfferUp. They have, for some whatever reason, I think actually I got these from Corbin Levington. Rides Can-Am now. But did the sand scramble with the Polaris Pro XP, and he's out there in, I believe, Paris or Nuevo or something like that. But I actually picked these up from him.
I was able to replace the bearings that are in there.
He's out there in, I believe, Paris or Nuevo or something like that. But I actually picked these up from him. And what I did is he had taken out the ball joints. So I had put OEM ball joints, bought them at Chaparral Motorsports. So now I can add these beefier stock lower radius rods and replace them with these. So same vehicle, just different trim level came with those, and my trim level came with that. So that's kind of like an easy, cheap, instead of getting billet, you can get the upper radius rod from DRT and get the OEM, probably find them on OfferUp, but get those and just put it on the bottom, and now you got some high clearance, beefier lower radius rods. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out all the products from drtmotorsports.com. Catch you guys out in the dunes.